What's up, superstars? Today's video is about a real case scenario that we wanted to share with you guys. Our customer wanted a full print shirt with their prized bulldog on there. We weren't doing color here, so it was just more of a black to white grayscale to give it that urban streetwear feel. Now this artwork was tricky. The client already had laid out the design, chosen the picture before upscaling, and even did some half-toning of their own. In the end, we just had to use what we had. But what we were able to do was a black knockout and half-toning to make this work. Are we able to achieve a big print like this while retaining the details and making it breathable with halftones? Watch till the end to see if it actually turned out okay on a shirt.
Hi guys, we have another artwork here. In this one, we have a black and white piece that we are going to black out and apply some halftone effects to. The first thing we need to do is make a copy of the layer to use as a backup. Then let's hide the bottom layer and use the duplicate. Then let's right-click on the duplicated image and duplicate it, but this time select New for the document type. Now that it's in a new document, we'll work on this one and turn the layer into a grayscale layer. Since it's already grayscaled, we'll now need to adjust the levels and curves in Image Adjustments. If we're satisfied with the adjustments, which will make the black layer knocked out and the white layer remain, we'll then go to Image Mode, Bitmap. Make sure it is set to 300 dpi and halftone screen. We'll use a frequency of 35 and an angle of 22, then press OK. Now as you can see, we have a halftone effect on the gray areas while the white areas are kept intact. Next, we will copy this layer by pressing Ctrl A to select all and Ctrl C to copy. Now, create a layer mask on your layer and press Shift left click on the layer mask. Then press Ctrl V to paste your halftone layer. Now let's try adding a dark background to see what it would look like on, say, a black shirt or any other color with a dark hue. This is how we create a black knockout and halftone effect. Finally, save your work.
All right, so here's how the transfer looks from coming from this to knocking out the black and doing out some halftones. We're also going to do a little bit more on the specs and just looking at the size of it. 13 and a half. So rounding it off, let's say 11. 13 and a half to 11. Just also wanted to show off the back, kind of giving it a little bit more of the details and what we did. And let's see how it comes out on the shirt. First, let's show off the shirt. For our blank, we have our Bella canvas. It's a unisex jersey short sleeve tee. The SKU is going to be 3001. It is 100% cotton, as well as also side seam, a classic fit, and shoulder taping. It has a 4.2 ounces. It does come through an extra small all the way to 5XL. This also does have a large variety of colors, and this is the most popular one for Bella canvas as well. 28 and a half with its height, 20 and a half with its width. So for heat presses, it seems like it's been a fan favorite from most of our videos, but we're going with a Heatmaster Prisma. If you want to know more about this Heatmaster Prisma, we're going to put a link down below just so you guys can check one of our videos out that talks solely about the Heatmaster and how it will help you out with production. Let's get down to pressing. So we got our aligning tool right here. All right, let's get to pressing. Let me get the aligning tool off. 300 degrees, a 7-second press. Really just make sure everything is on there. And then you press it one more time. Let's take a look. And this is the customer's design. So even if you see those 3 dots and everything, all we did was just do the black knockout. But it looks good. I like it. And there you guys have it, turning a full page print into a breathable halftone design. All right, well, we hope you guys enjoyed everything. If you guys found any value into this video, please like and subscribe. And as always, we'll see you guys in the next one.